Hi there and welcome to the HustleX Hub. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and strategies about your online business. I'm Nicolodette, your HustleX coach and a certified warrior trainer. And today I'll show you how to create your own AI marketing mentor to help you with your online business. So let's get started. Why an AI marketing mentor? You can use it as a personal AI assistant, literally. You can train it to do specific tasks like helping you with marketing strategies, writing sales copy, and answering clients' questions. In this case, we're going to be training our ChatGPT with a combination of knowledge from 8 of the best marketing books. 3 of them are going to be from Russell Brunson and Garrett J. Two books from Hormozi, and 3 books that are from Dan Kennedy, Sabri Suby, and Allan Dib. Now, part of the training content is also giving it the instructions, right? We're going to be uploading 7 key resources to make it super smart, where we're going to be adding headline formulas, high converting long copy, high converting short funnel copy, ebook copy templates, marketing hub questionnaire for websites, and the big 13 warrior method, which is a 13 powerful questions for sales. And we're going to be pretty much using this information so that the chatbot can combine along with the books and become very smart. So that way it doesn't learn from the whole internet, but just from what you're training it for. So let's go. All right, so the first thing that we're going to be doing, we're going to click on ChatGPT. We're going to open a new browser and we're going to search for ChatGPT. You're going to log in, and then you need to make sure that you have the right ChatGPT. You go to settings, my plan, and you're going to see what type of plan do you have. If you have the ChatGPT 4, this is the video for you. If you don't have it, you can't do this. So just make sure that you have the right ChatGPT. Now you go to my ChatGPTs and then you create. And here you're gonna add a picture, you're gonna add a name, you're gonna add a description of what it does. You're going to add instructions to know exactly what you want it to do. What does this GPT do? How does it behave? What should it avoid doing? Conversation starters. I created a questionnaire to be able to add this here. And additional files for the GPT to reference. This is knowledge that you can add. You can add any type of file, PDF, audios. You can add a lot of them. And then the capabilities: web search, DALL-E image narration. And you need to make sure that you click here, because you want to make sure that these is gonna be pretty much reading all the information that you click here. If you click here, this allows this GPT to run code. When enabled, the GPT can analyze data, work with files you uploaded, do math, and more. So you need to make sure that you select it. Now let's go into the Google Doc that I created. So even before having it here, I created all of these instructions here, and it's very simple because I just copy and paste, but I already have one ready for you. So let me go into the one that I created here. And I added my AI marketing mentor. The description is I wanted to be a business mentor using marketing expert strategies. And then we created a prompt. This is a very simple prompt telling it, like, this is what I want to avoid. This is what I want you to focus on. We want our marketing experts to really give us the best advice, right? So I put here, by combining insight from these books and frameworks with the material you provide, like headline formulas, funnel copy templates, and marketing questionnaires, it creates advice that's very practical, right? And of course, you want to make sure that you tell them what to avoid. What should it avoid doing? No fluff, no legal, no or financial stuff, just real strategies you can use to grow your business. Now, what type of conversation starters? What would Russell Brunson recommend for generating leads in a crowded niche? Now, what I would recommend in creating all these conversation starters, think about what would you ask that mentor that probably you don't have in front of you because you don't have that proximity, but what would you ask him, or what would you ask her, right? For instance, how can I create a lead magnet that aligns with Alex Hormozi's value-driven approach? Another question would be, based on Dan Kennedy philosophy, what's missing in my marketing plan for a product launch? Another would be, How would Russell Brunson craft a headline for a webinar invite? Give me a long-form content idea inspired by Sabri Suby storytelling techniques. So all of this right here will help your ChatGPT be very smart. And then after that, you create you created it, but I already created this, so I'm just gonna update this GPT, because you can go back and update your GPTs and all of that, and you're ready to share. This is very simple, guys. It's very, very practical, and I love it. Now it's ready. Now you can click on this and actually share it with people, or you click here where you want to see, like, okay, so let's just get started. Let's just think that we're gonna be creating, let's give it a prompt: create a marketing plan for my course launch, AI unlocking potential with AI by Nicole Odette, and help me create something that will help me get more leads to my advertising and help me get clear on how to sell this to my students that are interested in learning about artificial intelligence. Please use mostly the methods from Russell Brunson and Garrett J. Let's see what it says. Searching my knowledge, it's doing his thing. Here's a comprehensive marketing plan for your course launch, Unlocking Potential with AI by Nicole Odette, integrated principles from Russell Brunson and Garrett J. Core foundations of the marketing plan. Objective: attract, engage, and convert leads for an AI course, emphasizing practical applications for our personal and professional transformation. Target audience: aspiring tech enthusiasts, professionals seeking to upskill, educators integrating AI into teaching, and entrepreneurs exploring AI for business. Now, clarify your movement and offer. Using Russell Brunson's expert secrets, focus on positioning the course as a new opportunity. This isn't just another AI course, it's a transformational journey to harness AI for unlocking human potential. The attractive character, he talks about this in his books. Position yourself as a Nicole Odette, the passionate guy sharing personal stories of how AI transformed your life and how it can do the same for others. Example of his script is already giving me a script. AI doesn't replace humans, it amplifies our potential. Join me, Nicole Odette, as we explore how AI can unlock doors you didn't even know existed. Oh my god, this is amazing. I'm already loving it. Number 3, messaging framework. Utilize Garrett J. Wires weight principles. Create a safe frame for your audience by addressing their fears. Example: will AI take my job? And reframing them, AI can make your work indispensable. Use fact-driven frameworks. Where is your audience now? Fearful or overwhelmed by AI? Where do they want to go? Confidently using AI tools. How does your course bridge the gap? Wow, this is amazing. Now it has a lead generation strategy from Russell Brunson's Traffic Secrets and 100 million leads by Alex Hormozi. Dream 100 outreach. Build a list of 100 influencers, blogs, and or organizations in the AI education and productivity spaces. Offer the guests post, appear on podcasts, or share a free AI tip series. Another lead magazine would be a free guide titled 3 Little Known AI Secrets to Unlock Potential Faster. Wow. A mini webinar or masterclass, unlock your AI potential in 30 minutes. Now, paid ads. Test ads on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, targeting specific groups like tech-savvy individuals, educators, and entrepreneurs. Now, it has a funnel strategy for a high-converting landing page. The headline, he already gave me the headline. Unlock the power of AI, how to transform your potential in just 4 weeks. It's already giving me the formulas that I already gave him. Sub-headlines. Even if you're not tech-savvy or have no experience with AI, oh my god, this is just like, oh my god. Highlight outcomes like career growth, saving tools and innovate thinking. Include a free magnet up to capture emails. Now, a follow-up funnel. Here's already giving me the funnels, the emails. Oh my lord. Email 1, welcome and share to the free resource. Email 2, highlight the course benefits. Email 3, address common objections like cost, times, and commitment. Email 4, offer limited time bonus or discounts. This creates urgency. And we have conversion mechanism. Use the perfect webinar framework. Open with a bold promise. Share your origin story and epiphany about AI. Demonstrate the course frameworks. Address objections with a stock offer like course models, bonus Q&A sessions, downloadable tools, and certification. And then apply scarcity. Limited seats or time-bound discounts. Retention and upselling. Include access to a private community, Facebook or Discord for ongoing support. Upsell advanced AI courses or workshops for retention, weekly challenges or projects in the community to foster the engagement. Marketing channels, he's giving me social media, post daily AI tips, success stories, and behind the scene content. SEO content, write blog posts like 5 ways AI can boost your career. Optimize for keyword like AI learning for beginners. Webinar host like Q&A sessions on AI trends to build trust and authority. Scaling through partnerships, collaborate with educational institutions or AI software companies to co-promote the course. Explore affiliate marketing to create an army of promoters. And then tools of implementation, ClickFunnels for landing pages and funnels, Zapier for automating lead management, Canva for creating promotional graphics. Wow, this is just amazing. And I even wrote it all wrong. I know that my grammar is not that great here, but I gave it a very simple prompt just for the purpose of teaching you guys.
And there you have it, your AI marketing mentor. If this was helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, with your colleagues, and subscribe to the HustleX Hub. Hit the bell so you don't miss more episodes from our Unlocking AI Potential series. If you'd like to connect with me directly, I'll leave my booking links at the end of this video. I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know in the comment sections, what do you think about this video? What would you like to learn more? If this was helpful, is this something that you're doing? What are you doing? I want to know what are some of the things that I can build so I can help you succeed in your online business. Thanks for watching and keep hustling.